If A or B in L, where L is a list, Python. I am having trouble with the following logic. Let's say I have a list, L equals A, B, C. Both items are in the list. Prints, it's there. Only the first item is in the list. Prints, it's there. Neither item in the list. Prints, no sorry. Here's the confusing one, only the second item in the list. Prints, no sorry. I do not understand why this is not registering as a true statement. How does this generalize to an OR statement with n conditionals? Forehead slapping, easy answer in 3, 2, 1.
Let's break down the expression. E or A. We'll first check if E is true. If it is, the expression will return E. If not, it will return A. Since all non-empty strings returns true, this expression will always return E. This means that, if E or A in L column, can be translated to, if E in L, which in this case is false. A more generic way to check if a list contains at least one value of a set of values, is to use the any function coupled with a generator expression.
Use this instead. If we want to check if all these of this items are in the list, all and a generator comprehension is your friend. Or if any of these items are in the list, use any.
Strings, except an empty string, will always evaluate to true when they are evaluated as a boolean. While evaluating with or / in both will return true, but there is a little difference between them. Or will return the first string, and will return the last string. When you do, it will check A or B, which is A, and then check if A is in L. Something similar happens with the other cases, based on what I explained before. So when you do, E or A will evaluate to E, and therefore it will print, no sorry, because E is not in L. What you must do is compare whether elements are in the list separately.
The trick to the output you're getting is that AND and OR in Python always evaluate to one of their operands, generally the one that had to be evaluated last to determine the truthiness of the operation. So when you're evaluating 1 or 2, n, 1, 3, 5, where in truth you want 1n, 1, 3, 5, or 2n, 1, 3, 5, what really happens is, 1 or 2, is evaluated to 1, and your operation becomes 1n, 1, 3, 5.